Welcome to AIPOD. In this deep dive into the weekly AI news summary for July 19, 2026, our mission is to basically cut through the hype and see where AI is, actually impacting the real world.
Yeah, exactly. And looking at the stack of 8 news items today, there is a very clear theme emerging.
Right? The market is demanding practical ROI over shiny AI promises. I mean, just look at the IBM situation,
Oh, man, yeah. IBM's historic 25% stock crash.
which is their worst since 1967, right?
Since 1967, yeah. And the crazy thing is, they actually reported growing adoption for Watsonx, which is their enterprise AI platform.
Okay, so wait. If companies are adopting it, why did Wall Street panic?
Because investors are just brutally punishing traditional tech firms right now if they can't show sustainable profits from all these massive AI investments. The long-term software contracts just aren't there yet.
Okay, let's unpack this for a second because to me it feels a lot like the dot-com bubble. I mean,
Yeah.
everyone have a website, but who is actually turning a profit?
That is the perfect analogy. And you can see this reality check hitting the consumer level too. Take Starbucks, for example.
Oh, right, they're ditching those generic customer-facing chatbots entirely.
Exactly. They are focusing strictly on operational AI now.
Yeah, which completely makes sense.
Right. So instead of chatbots, they want AI for predicting local store demand or, optimizing staff schedules and inventory.
It totally validates Warren Buffett's cautious stance on this whole thing.
Right.
He always says picking long-term AI winners is brutally hard.
Because a proven competitive advantage is still heavily outweighs just aggressive AI infrastructure spending.
Totally. But if companies like Starbucks are demanding this highly custom, practical AI,
Yeah.
who is actually building and deploying that?
Well, the infrastructure layer is absolutely booming. The latest Gartner semiconductor report shows NVIDIA is obviously still dominating.
Sure, no surprise there.
But the cloud hyperscalers are desperately designing their own custom AI silicon now, mostly to lower their own operational costs.
Okay, but there is still a massive gap there, right? For you, the listener, you have hyper-complex custom server chips on one end and a barista needing an optimized schedule on the other.
Yeah. Silicon chip doesn't write a schedule, which is why that gap has created the hottest new career in tech right now. They are called forward deployed engineers, or FDEs.
Forward deployed engineers.
Hmm.
So they combine like software engineering with customer-facing consulting.
Exactly. They physically embed with the client to wire custom AI into legacy systems, and tech giants are scaling this exact talent pool right now.
Right, I saw that HCLTech just opened a massive new global technology center in Gift City.
Yep.
And it's specifically dedicated to building these AI solutions for financial services.
It really is the industrialization of AI deployment.
Okay, so that is the practical side. But I want to pivot to the sheer absurdity on the other end of the spectrum.
Oh, you mean the Vertu phone?
Yes,
Yeah.
the almost $7,000 AI executive assistant, which, let's be honest, is just standard AI wrapped up in luxury materials.
It's wild. What's really fascinating here is the market split, right? You have AI as a strict operational necessity on one side.
And then AI is a pure status symbol on the other.
Exactly.
But honestly, as AI gets integrated into literally everything, the ultimate pushback isn't a luxury phone. It's something like Ghost Font.
Oh, Ghost Font is so clever.
For the listener who hasn't seen it, it's basically the ultimate resistance against omnipresent AI. It uses animated moving dots and decoy text to create this optical illusion.
Right. So as a human, you can read it easily because we recognize overarching patterns.
Yeah.
But AI vision systems just cannot comprehend it.
Yeah, it completely breaks their edge detection.
Because they calculate pixel gradients frame by frame while our brains just see the whole word.
It is incredible. So to summarize all of this, we are definitely shifting from that experimental AI hype to a very grounded operational reality.
The honeymoon is over, and the real work is starting.
Exactly. But it leaves you with a really provocative thought. As AI vision systems become absolutely everywhere, will optical illusions like Ghost Font become our only method for digital privacy?
That's a crazy thing to think about.
Right. In a hyper-optimized world, will being, machine unreadable become the ultimate luxury? Something to ponder. Thank you so much for tuning in to AIPOD, and we will catch you next time.